Namaste. So, this is the class of pharmaceutical analysis, and today we will know about the terminology used in the titration and about the titration curve. If you wish to find the concentration of an acid solution, you would titrate the acid solution with a solution of base alkyl of known concentration, alkymetry. You titrate a base of unknown concentration with a acid or a known concentration, acidimetry. Titrant, solution of a known concentration which is added to another solution whose concentration has to be determined. Titrate and analyte is the solution whose concentration has to be determined. Equivalence point in titration at which the amount of titrant added is just enough to complete neutralized the analyte solution. At equivalence point in an acid base titration, mole of base equal to mole of acid, and the solution only contains salt and water. So acid is HCl and base is NaOH base. At equivalent point, the salt is formed is NaCl and H2O. So acid base titration are monitored by the change of pH as titrant progress. Next is the indicator. So chemists often use a chemical dye rather than a pH meter to detect the equivalent point of an acid base titration. Chemical dye whose color are affected by acid and base solution are called acid base indicator. Many natural substances act as indicator. For example, if you use lemon juice in your tea, you might have noticed that brown color of tea get lightened. Then lemon juice is added. Tea contains the compound called polyphenol that have slightly ionizable hydrogen atom and therefore are weakly acid. So adding acid in form of lemon juice to a cup of tea lessen the degree of ionization and the color of unionized polyphenol become more apparent. For the purpose of titration, it's good enough to know that an indicator is a weak acid or base that is added to the analyte solution and it changes color when the equivalence point is reached. The point at which the amount of titrant added is just enough to complete neutralize the analyte solution. The point at which the indicator change color is called endpoint. So at the point where the indicator color is changed is known as endpoint in the titration. You have done previously in 12th and 11th class. So the addition of an indicator to the analyte solution help us to visualize spot the equivalence point in an acid base titration. Chemists have several choices in selecting indicator. For the example of indicator are here. You can see the methyl is violet color, thymol blue, methyl yellow, methyl orange, methyl red, litmus. There are lots of indicator which you can see. Now properties of indicator. First, must have an easy observed color change. Must change easy in the required pH range over the addition of half a drop of reagent. So these are the main property of the indicator. The indicator must have a color. If our solution is blue color and indicator also has a blue color, so how we can define that at what point the indicator changes color? No. So indicator must have different color as a characteristic color and a proper color peak. Okay, and then it must change the pH over half a drop because we need a accurate calculation. If it did not change color in a single half drop, then that cause an error, as we have studied in the measurement and instrumental error. So that cause an error. So you can see here, depend upon the pH, the different indicator is given here which change their color according to the pH. So you can check. For any query you can comment here. Thank you.